Okay, so what I've done here is I've just got this all set up here right now. I don't want any particles in here on the shelf here, and I'll show you how to deal with that. What I've done is just sprayed my thin fire with a little tack glue just to hold it in place. And I've held that right nice. Now, don't worry about the thing there, but just make sure that it's down on it. Now, make sure that it's, excuse me, that's the only way I can get to it. And I just put that on there and see, it's nice. Nice and nice and nice. Don't worry about that little bit of a bump. So that's one side. And I do the other side the same. So I'll do that and then I'll come back.